Hi guys, Andy here, messing about with the diesel heaters again. A few people have asked me how much fuel I use in my diesel heater, so I'm just going to do a little test today to see how much I do use. So the fuel that I use in my heater is kerosene. I'm paying 98 pence a litre at the moment, and when I go and fetch it from my supplier, I normally pick it up in these AdBlue containers. You can usually get these containers lying around at service stations or garages for free, absolutely anywhere, and they do last. This is some kerosene I've had in these from last year, and it hasn't dissolved or damaged or melted the containers in any way at all, so I do trust them. And when you're buying kerosene from a supplier, you don't need to have an approved like container, like a jerry can, unlike petrol or diesel. You can pretty much use anything, and I use these and they're fantastic. So I'm filling this right up to the brim so we can see exactly how much has been used. There you go. There you go. Right up to the top. There you go, right up to the top. We'll get the heater switched on and see how much it's using. Okay, so I'm inside the house now, where the vent from the heater is and the control panel, and I'll get it switched on. Right, this, as you know, take about a minute to get going for the glow plug to warm up, and while we're waiting for that to get going, now could be a good idea to press the subscribe button, and then you won't lose me. I've got quite a few other heater videos that you might find of interest. Okay, so the heater's now blowing hot air. It's just on a low setting, what I normally have it on. I've made a note of the time, and we know the heater's full to the top with fuel, so we'll let that run for a while, and we'll go back to it and see how much it's used. Okay guys, so we've just come back out to the heater. It's been on exactly 1 hour to the minute, and we're going to see how much kerosene it's used. It's just been on a low setting, which I normally have it on, and you can see it's just gone down about an inch. And just over here I've got exactly half a litre of kerosene, which we're going to see how much we can fit in the tank to brim it, top it right up to the brim. Not much at all, not much at all. There you go. So that's absolutely, you can't get any more in there. Right up to the top, and we'll see how much it's used. Okay, here's the jug, as level as possible, and it was on half a litre. The jug was on half a litre, which is 500 millilitres, and if you can see now, it's pretty much absolutely on 400 millilitres. So it's quite neatly used 100 millilitres, 0.1 of a litre in an hour. Just to show you exactly what that is, this is like one of the smallest plastic cups you can get, and that's 0.1 of a litre, 100 millilitres. That's what it's used on a low setting in 1 hour. So that works out to under 10 pence for an hour's heat, and there's quite a bit of heat come out there. So if you're looking at sort of an 8-hour stint with the heater, that's under 80 pence. It's not a lot of money at all, and if you can get the kerosene or red diesel even cheaper than that, you're going to save even more money. So there it is, guys, a rough running cost of this diesel heater heating my home on kerosene. So this has got to be one of the cheapest ways of heating your home or anywhere, your workshop, studio, garage, whatever. And if you haven't saw my other videos, please click on my username Andy Fireblade and check out my other videos. And thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.